going to be making an automatic chicken farm for my dad, because one of my daily jobs is feeding the chickens. Really boring, really boring. So today all we really need is a bucket with a lid. You need a drill with a spade, I think it is, a spade drill, 16 millimeters for us, 2 washers, 2 nuts, and any kind of, you also need an eye bolt, any kind of lid, and well, you can use a peanut butter or Vegemite lid. So that's really all you need for this automatic chicken farm. Step 1, you've got to drill a hole right in the middle of the bucket, just like we've done right here. Drill a hole right in the bucket.
Ooh.
You've got to put the eye bolt through this hole, but through the other side. So like that. Next step, get a drill piece the size as your eye bolt, and then put it on your drill.
So find the middle, drill your hole. I'm doing this because you really should hold this in a vise, but I know how to do it, so. Oh. Ooh.
First, you're going to put your washer on there. Make sure you have a nut there halfway on the key thread, and then you get the lid and you put it facing, so the top's facing downwards like that to the bucket.
Why's that?
So, because that's going to catch your chicken seed.
Okay.
Then you get your other washer. You're going to put that there. Then you're going to get your bolt.
Nut.
Sorry. And then you're going to screw that on. So this key bolt is quite short.
Eye bolt.
This eye bolt is quite short. And I don't think our chickens' heads will fit through that gap, so I'm recommending for you guys to get a longer key bolt. I've now got a piece of rope that's quite strong. We're going to now hang it up and see if the chickens are smart enough to get the food out. So we'll put the feed up in the chook pen, where in a height where rats can't get it and where birds cannot figure out how to get the seed. So it works by when a chook goes to peck the feeder, it opens up a little gap where more food comes down. So it's just an infinite feeder of food till the food that you've got in your little feeder bucket in here goes. And then you fill it up another day, you put like 5 or 6 scoops in, you're good for maybe a week.
It's alright, let's see what happens. Keep going, right? Chicken attack!
It's really annoying to get the food. This is why this chicken feeder will be really good. So, the hole that we had dug with the 16 millimeter dig thing was too small for the food to come through. So Dad said 22 millimeter would be probably perfect to do the hole. So Dad's dug the hole, and the 2 washers that we used were quite heavy, so we just changed it to 2 smaller ones so the chooks can move it around easier. So here in the mighty chook pen, we have got the chook feeder to work. Just a little bit of a bigger hole. So, we have finally got it, so it's got a size where, when they peck it, the food comes out. So they're always hungry, and they can always get their food. They're very smart as well. So, here's the final product, 30-minute build, and I won't have to feed my chooks for a while. Because, well, you just fill it up a lot, it's good. Thanks for watching.